Snow in New York on a winter morn, Central Park dressed up since dawn. Carriages glide in a gentle stream, turning every corner into a dream. The city hums with a velvet cheer, holiday footsteps drawing near. And as we stroll past the quiet trees, the season moves with an easy breeze. Snow in New York, my favorite time of year. Snow in New York, it's magic when it's near. Snow in